Welcome to Instant Workshops. In this workshop, I will show you the steps to create a table of contents in Microsoft Word. I will be using the Microsoft 365 version of Word. Many academic institutions offer their students free access to Microsoft 365. To begin, open your Microsoft Word document. Click on the Home tab. You will need to apply a style to each heading you would like to include as an entry in the table of contents. Select the text you want to include in your table of contents. Select heading 1 for major headings or heading 2 for subheadings. Repeat for all other headings. Next, you will need to insert your table of contents. Click the spot in your document where you would like the table of contents to be. Then click on the References tab. In References, click on Table of Contents. Select the type of table of contents you would like. You should now have a table of contents in your document. Here are the steps you need to follow to create a table of contents in Microsoft Word. If you need any help, contact your library or your institution's IT department.